As I'm able to start doing more down at my property again, always a lot of projects. One of the things I need to get going is a compost pile. Quick down and dirty compost pile using what I've got. It's not done. I had a couple of straw bales. I don't have any chickens at the moment, so these are not needed. I'll just put them down, and what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to orient it so that the stalks kind of get folded, and I want the open ends up. Got this out of straw bale gardening techniques for seasoning your bales. So basically, just put 2 bales down. That's going to be the size of it. I've got an abundance of cinder blocks. It's going to bring a lot down here. I'm just outlining that area with the cinder blocks. Those will form the walls. As I bring more, they'll go up. I'll straddle them and stuff. If you don't want them to fall over, take some T-post. Lightweight ones are fine, heavy ones are fine, and just knock them in so that as you go up, help keep the concrete blocks, cinder blocks from moving over. I'll put a front on it. And the main reason I'm using straw bales is I need a bunch of carbon. I'll start at the very, very bottom with a healthy layer of carbon. My chicken coops need cleaned out, so I've got a lot of nitrogen. So I need something to soak up the nitrogen. I've got the bales. Good job. Good thing to use. Once I've got them in place, go ahead, cut the strings. Otherwise it's going to be hard to turn in a few months. Pull those strings out, and from this point on, I can start bringing 5-gallon buckets of chicken litter, putting on that, letting it rain on it. I can pee on it and just get the compost started. I've got it right outside the front door, close at hand, and it's also right next to the garden area. I'll probably add more garden area this way, so it's close to where the material that will be composted is and where the compost needs to be used. And since nothing's mortared in, it can be disassembled and moved whenever I want. If there's an excess of nutrients that leaches into the soil, it's in the garden where the plants can soak that up. So it doesn't have to be pretty, it just has to be functional.